Hello everyone, N3FJZ here, and the continuing saga of the MAX-SSB, formerly known as the ZX-SSB-II rebuild. Alright, so what I've done here is I've taken the PA module and I've mounted it on a wooden plank, which allows me now to elevate it for the fan so I can get airflow through the heatsink, and it keeps the Stockton Bridge for forward reflected power attached instead of it flopping around on the workbench like it was. So I want to go ahead and, okay, now I got the leads for the thermocouples. This is what sunk me before, because you can see right here is the voltage feed for the PAs, which is at 13.8 volts, and down here is the leads for the thermocouples, which were directly coupled to the analog inputs of the Arduino. So when the clip lead fell off of this lead, it dropped down and struck this, and that's what killed the controller. So now with this on a board, I have that protection circuit which clamps the voltage on the Arduino pins to 5 volts through a little network of a resistor divider and a diode, so that will protect that if that occurs. But since it's on a board now, there'd be less chance of it being jostled around and flipping off. Anyway, this is the 50 watt on 40 meters PA module, and it's based on W6JL's I think they called it the 98-cent wonder or something like that, where you're using IRFZ-24N MOSFET transistors, which are down here. And to create 50 watts on 40 meters. Now I think the power is a little bit less on some of the other bands. This is also, there is a Hendrex kit. I think it was the BITX 17A and the BITX 20A, which uses some pre-amplification or pre-driving on the boards, which are on their PA, which is this section here. And have a potentiometer to vary the input to the pre-driver to give me adjustable power. But in the final build of the MAX-SSB, I have a W7ZOI variable gain impedance insensitive amplifier that will actually do the power regulating, and I'll get rid of this potentiometer. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and wire this temporarily into the rig, which is up here, and I'll put that on the bench, and hopefully it'll work. This is some of the up close-up of the PA. Here's the low-pass filters for 80 and 40 meters, controlled by this slide switch on both sides of the filter. Here's a little carrier board for the thermocouples, and the pre-driver bypass relays. so forth. There's the Stockton Bridge. So, okay, I'll leave you with that, and I'll say 7-3 for now. N3FJZ.